New tonight, the Bark Park at Saginaw Township's Immerman Memorial closed to dogs because of kennel cough. TV5's Blake Keller joins us in the studio to tell us what they're doing about this problem. Blake?
Meg, Saginaw County Parks and Recreation officials say they received a slew of calls about dogs infected with kennel cough. They suspect nearly 10 cases are linked to the Bark Park after first receiving calls from pet owners that their furry four-legged friend had signs of illness. Park and Rec officials went to Immerman Park to disinfect it. But just yesterday, more calls came in, so they decided to take further action.
And we actually think that dogs are getting infected and not knowing and not showing symptoms, and they're coming into the park and infecting other dogs. So we're hoping that this span of 3 to 4 days will allow dogs that haven't shown symptoms yet to show symptoms, because it is against our policy for any dogs showing any illness to come into our park.
Now, the park opens back up on Monday. Parks and Rec says if there are more cases that pop up over the weekend, they'll take appropriate action.